Hey, Timeless Tribe, welcome back. I'm so glad you're here because today we're doing something crazy. Forget everything you know about home design right now. We're talking 2026, and the predictions, they are an absolute wild ride. Think less safe and subtle, more bold and beautiful. If your home felt like a cozy but maybe a little boring hug in 2024, get ready for it to become the most interesting dinner guest in 2026. We've analyzed the data, talked to the big-name architects, and pulled together the 7 most insane, must-know trends that are going to dominate American homes. Grab your coffee, maybe a comfy blanket, and let's dive into the future. You are not going to want to miss number 4. Trust me. Okay, trend number 1. Grounded greens and rich browns, the new neutrals. Look, for years, neutral meant white or gray. Your home looked like a chic, sterile operating room. It was fine, but it was cold. 2026 is bringing nature inside. We're seeing deep, calming sage greens and rich, earthy chocolate browns replacing the cool tones. These colors act as a neutral background, but they provide this incredible sense of calm and luxury. They ground the room. Imagine your living room in a soft, dusty sage. It just feels like a deep breath, right? Now, trend number 2, theatrical tonal washes. This is where it gets crazy. It's a rebellion against the perfectly balanced room. Designers are now taking one rich color, say a deep cranberry or a bold red orange, and painting the walls, the trim, and even the ceiling in slightly different tints of the same color. It sounds wild, but it's immersive, dramatic, and creates this incredible mood. It's not just a room, it's an experience. The goal? To feel wrapped up and completely transported. If you're tired of your white boxes, try a tonal wash in your dining room. It'll be an instant conversation starter. Trend number 3, fat furniture, sculptural shapes. Say goodbye to thin legs and sharp angles. The new furniture is voluptuous, oversized, and plush. We're talking cloud sofas on steroids. Pieces that look like art but feel like a dream. Think big, round armchairs that swallow you whole. This trend is all about comfort and tactile luxury. We want to feel safe, we want to feel cozy, and we want our furniture to look like it could be in a modern art museum. Its function meets high-end sculpture. You'll see materials like rich velvet, creamy boucle, and even heavily textured linens dominating this space. And here it is, the one I teased you with. Trend number 4, embracing imperfection, Wabi Sabi's American moment. For years, we chased perfection, perfectly smooth walls, factory-made uniformity. 2026 is about the hand of the maker. This means beautiful lime-washed walls with an imperfect texture, handmade tiles that aren't perfectly uniform, vintage furniture with a little patina. It's the Japanese philosophy of wabi-sabi, and it's finally going mainstream in the US. It gives your home soul, history, and a story. Your house shouldn't look like a catalog page. It should look like a life well lived. Go to your local flea market, find something old with a crack, and that's your 2026 statement piece. All right, trend number 5. The invisible adaptive home. This is where my AI engineering side gets excited. We're not talking about clunky smart devices anymore. 2026 is about wellness being built in. Think circadian lighting that gently shifts color temperature throughout the day to support your natural rhythm. Windows that automatically filter UV rays based on the intensity of the sun. Air quality systems that are completely invisible, adapting to humidity and pollutants without you ever lifting a finger. The technology disappears, leaving only the feeling of a perfectly optimized, healthy home. Moving outside for trend number 6, maximalist outdoor rooms. The patio is no longer just a place for a grill and 2 chairs. It's an extension of your interior design, and it's going maximalist. We're talking high-design outdoor rugs, super plush, weather-resistant sectional sofas, dramatic sculptural planters, and full chef-grade outdoor kitchens. We're investing in this space like we used to invest in our formal dining room. Why? Because we want to live out there. The goal is to make the outdoor space feel so comfortable, so luxurious, that you genuinely forget you're outside.
And finally, trend number 7, the evolution of the open concept. This is probably the least crazy, but the most important. The totally open floor plan? It's on the way out. We loved the open concept for 20 years, but we realized you can't work from home, watch TV, and cook dinner all at once in the same giant space. 2026 is all about defining rooms again. Not giant, permanent walls, but subtle divisions. Custom archways, floor-to-ceiling shelving units, stunning millwork, or even flexible sliding partition walls. It's about zoning your home for different activities, a cozy library, a distinct dining area, a quiet home office.
Wow! Sage green, fat furniture, and the death of the completely open concept. We covered a lot, but here's your timeless takeaway. 2026 is the year where your home gets its soul back. It's less about following rigid rules and more about making a space that feels deeply personal, comfortable, and a little bit dramatic. Which of these 7 crazy ideas are you most excited to try? Is it the dramatic theatrical tonal wash? Or are you ready to embrace the imperfection of wabi-sabi? Drop your favorite trend in the comments below. I'll be down there replying to the first 50 people. If you want to see how to actually implement these ideas on a budget, make sure you're subscribed and hit that notification bell. Our next video is all about budget buys for a sculptural 2026 living room. Thanks for hanging out with the Timeless Tribe. I'll see you in the next video. Bye!